Urban Development Framework. What is a UDF? It is a policy issued by the government in recognition of the current and future importance of South Africa's cities and towns. It ensures that it means the needs of our growing population for shelter, economic, social, and environmental development. Live, work, and play. The Rosebank UDF. So, what does this consist of? It consists of the vibe, the commercial attraction, a place of class, diversity, the money, the art. So, what is the RUDF, the Rosebank Urban Development Framework? Rosebank Urban Development Framework connects the spatial, technological, functional, and economic aspects of urban development and provides frameworks for sustainable and smarter urban growth. Urban frameworks help private investors and public administrations to define what long-term value creation implies in a rapidly changing technological environment, creates development strategies that respond to all available parameters surrounding a development opportunity. The urban frameworks creates the first instrument for a resilient development process later on. Urban frameworks often act as a specialist for the definition of urban transformation strategies, while forming part of a larger international team of multidisciplinary experts. So how does the Rosebank UDF function? Effective transportation system. This increased accessibility and mobility, Rosebank CBD and mobility spine, public transport backbone, spatial urban design, land use, cultural and commercial nodes, building scale, mixed use. So, the effective transportation systems, this would be the Gautrain. The Gautrain links regions such as Sandton, Pretoria, Midrand, Johannesburg, Marlborough, and OR Tambo International Airport and allows quicker and more effective access to them. The Metro Bus, alternative bus options with buses coming from CBD, Joburg, and Soweto. Rosebank Taxi Rank, public commuters to everywhere else, other further regions. The spatial urban development. If you refer to the picture, this would be medium to high density mixture of the land use, which include residential, retail, and recreational. Rosebank nodes benefit from social infrastructure such as transport, community services, education facilities. If you refer to the map, this is the land use map of Rosebank and Melrose, which shows the education, commercial, the list goes on. So, the spatial urban development, this would include the cultural and commercial nodes, for example, the Rosebank Circa building and the Rosebank African Craft Market. If you refer to the building scale, the first point indicates where Rosebank Square is. The second one shows the upper park. The third one middle park. The fourth one lower park, and the fifth key illustrates the precinct plan of Rosebank. If you refer to this map, this shows the heights of the building. This would be the heritage buildings, the landmarks and intersections, perimeter blocks, buildings that address the street, setbacks minimized. And this image illustrates the mixed useness of Rosebank, where you get the street trees, your art cores, your public art possessions, your shared streets, your on-street parking, etc. If you refer to the statistics, this would be the household sizes household size in Rosebank and Melrose subplaces. This would be the employment status of people living in Rosebank and Melrose subplaces. As you can see, the employed status is relatively much higher.